Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. So today we're having jjajangmyeon, Korean black bean noodles, some gyozas, pickled radish, of course water. Second video since I'm back. So let's just mix this around. I didn't make this. It's that instant stuff. I have the... Dang, that flung all the way over here. This is hard and messy. Alright, that looks kind of good. This is good. I got this from H Mart. I have my windows open so the rain might sound a little bit louder than usual because I had to let all the smoke out when I was pan frying these. It's been raining a lot in Houston because there's a tropical storm Gordon coming to the Gulf. So that's why it's been raining a lot. Yesterday, like in the middle of the afternoon around 12, like all of Houston just started getting dark. I mean, not like it wasn't even raining yet, it was just like very satanic, very evil. Come on, bruh. Focus for me. I pull you out slowly? No? Well, there you go. Pretty good for instant. This right here is not like the instant noodle. It wasn't like, you know, the dry, hard noodle you boil. The noodles are actually already like, I don't know if you guys ever bought instant udon noodles, but you know how it comes that plastic and it's kind of oily? It's kind of like that. And the sauce wasn't like powder, or it was in like a silver bag and you just had to boil it and then open it and pour it over. It's gourmet instant. The gyoza has beef, pork, and vegetables in it, and some glass noodles. Oh, I messed up. There's still some white right here. Get in the sauce. I apologize for that. Get lost in the sauce. Oh. Do I have anything on my lip? So, I game a lot, you know, I'm a gamer, play a lot of video games. I actually just built my PC. It was a lot of money, but it's pretty good. I was a Fortnite player. But a lot of my friends stopped, or they don't have, most of them don't have PC. I mean, I know you can cross-platform, but so I'm trying to find a new game to play, but I've been watching a lot of people play the new Spider-Man game because I'm so jealous. I have an Xbox, I don't have a PS4. Oh, that game looks so good. There's too much money out here. There's too much money out here. You guys like Travis Scott? I love Travis Scott. He's from Houston, you know, represent. He's actually having a music festival in Houston. Bought my ticket. There's no lineup yet, so I hope it's a really good lineup. And then next month is October. Favorite month of the year, because it's my birthday and it's Halloween. And hopefully it gets colder. Sick and tired of this heat. I love the cold over the heat. What is Nat doing here? Get out of here. There was this comment on my last video that was like, I thought it said, because I read it in the middle of the night when I woke up. I just saw I got a notification, so I read it. I was half asleep and it was like, stop stacking. Your mukbangs are fire, keep them going. Something like that. And like, I ate all the noodles. Ooh. You know what that sounds like? So I was like, stop stacking? What does that even mean? And I woke up, you know, finally woke up and reread it. It said stop slacking. I was like, okay, I got you, bro. I'm slowly making it come back, hopefully. Doesn't the rain sound soothing? Psych, I'm gonna go shut the window. I'm back and I'm better. those noodles can fill your stomach up. I wish I was a mukbanger that could eat a bunch of food. I'm so glad I only made a couple of gyozas. I was about to make 10. I always think with my stomach, it gets me in trouble. I really can't eat as much as I used to. I used to eat a lot. I mean, I still eat a lot because all I think about is food. Like right now, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna eat for lunch. Excuse me. This is my breakfast. Well, I don't actually eat lunch because I eat like breakfasts. Breakfasts. That's usually mostly I think about is food. Like right now, I'm probably thinking what I could do for my next video. What am I gonna eat? When I'm eating a meal, I'm always thinking about the next meal. When I'm full, I'm just like, hurry up, digest. I want to eat some more. If the audio is weird on this one, forgive me. I'm still messing around with this mic. I don't know how much the gain should be and how much the volume should be, so each video might be different until I figure out what I like. So be patient, guys. We are going to get to the best mukbang video ever. And with your help, just let me know, oh, this this audio is better than last, or this one is doo-doo. Alright guys, I actually finished this mukbang. Well, except for like those potatoes and stuff, but we'll pretend they're gone. Alright, so if you did like or enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell notification also. Until next time, peace out, Girl Scout. Ugh.